Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, but learning to dance in the rain. Life is a journey, not a destination. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Life is too short to be anything but happy. Life is like a camera. Focus on the good times, develop from the negatives, and if things don't work out, take another shot. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Life is a balance between holding on and letting go. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. Life is a precious gift, cherish every moment. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced.